So I just removed the valve cover. There's a very simple trick to remove the valve cover. You cannot just lift the cover upward. You have to roll it towards this side. Roll it so it will slide under these two brackets left and right for the gas tank mount. Instead of lifting up, straight up, you need to roll on your side or twist it on your side so it will slide out sideways, not upward. So I'm right now looking inside, and let me put more light so you should be able to see. Okay, I see it's very clean. The valve cover is very clean. I see this muddy color of oil, but that maybe I'm not sure what color of oil should be. I'm gonna check it by touching it to feel it if it has an oil property or not. What I'm going to do in few minutes, right after this, I will try to crank it and see. I can see the movement in these two, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The middle two, the valves are the middle two pistons. So this one is first, second, third, and fourth. So these two are my concern. So I'm going to crank and I will see if I can figure it out from here. I'm waiting for my son to come up here and take my video while I'm cranking it up.